Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the horror version of Pinki. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing a circle for the left eye. And then a circle higher up for the right one. And now let's add a small circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Next, let's hop down underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve underneath the left eye. And then on the right, let's bring it down and back up. And then let's curve it down and over to the left. Now let's bring it up at the bottom. Another V-shaped point underneath. And then one more on the left side. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. Let's draw a square shape up on the bottom left. Now let's hop to the right side and let's draw a curve up at the top. And then close it off at the bottom. And now let's draw one more tooth on the right side like this. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the nose. Let's start with two angled lines in the center here. Now from the left line, let's draw a curve from the top and angle it back in. And then for the right side, let's draw a curve down, angle it in, and back up. And that's it for the nose. Next, we're going to draw the pattern around the eyes. Let's start underneath the left eye and let's draw a point out and back up. Another one on the left. Angle it up and curve it back in. And then a smaller point on top of the left eye. Now let's continue drawing a zigzag line up and over to the right side. And then a larger one out to the right. A smaller one underneath. Angle it down and in. And then one more down next to the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the bow. Let's start with the circle on top in the center. Next, on both sides, let's draw a curve out and back in. And one more underneath. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start underneath the left side of the bow and let's draw a circular curve down, around, and back up. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw two long angles down for the body. And a line across at the bottom. And that's it for Pinki. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!